Let's talk about something that every data engineer or analyst comes across sooner or later: ETL versus ELT. At first glance, they look like two acronyms that just switched letters, but in reality, they represent two different approaches to how data is moved, transformed, and made useful. So, what's the real difference and why does it matter? Let's start with ETL: extract, transform, load. This is the traditional method used for decades in on-premises data warehouses. You pull data out of the source systems, clean and prepare it in a middle layer, like an ETL server, and then load it into the target system, usually a data warehouse. This means the transformation happens before the data reaches its final destination. It's clean, curated, and ready to be queried, but it can also be slow and doesn't scale very well when the data volume grows too much. Now let's look at ELT: extract, load, transform. This approach became popular with cloud-native platforms like Snowflake, BigQuery, and Databricks. The idea here is that you extract and load first, getting raw data into the platform as quickly as possible. Then you run transformations inside the data warehouse or lakehouse using its powerful compute. This model gives you much more flexibility. You can store everything, reprocess whenever you need, and transform data on demand based on your analysis needs. But there's a trade-off. Raw data in your warehouse means you need to take governance and modeling seriously. Otherwise, it becomes a data swamp. So which one should you use? If you're working with legacy systems, strict compliance, or limited compute, ETL may still be the better choice. It keeps things clean and controlled. But if you're in a cloud-native environment working with modern tools and big volumes of data, ELT is often the smarter approach. It's faster, more scalable, and plays well with automation and machine learning workflows. In the end, it's not about which one is better. It's about choosing the right pattern for the right situation. And in many real-world projects, you'll use both: ETL for some flows, ELT for others. Thanks for watching. If this helped clarify ETL versus ELT for you, hit subscribe, because in the next video, we're breaking down how an ELT pipeline actually works with AI in the loop. See you there.